Dear children, so welcome to the session. So in the last session we discussed about the plastics. So what are the plastics? We can use it in the various ways, and what are the characteristics of plastics? The characteristics are it is reusable, it is moldable, and it will conduct or not conduct the electricity, children. Yes, it will not conduct the electricity. It is the plastics are poor conductors of electricity. So that's why the copper wires can be insulated with the plastics, and electric sockets can be covered with the plastic materials. It will not conduct the electricity. And next property is some plastic materials are heat resistant. It will resist the heat. What is it by resistant? Avoid. It will avoid. That is, some of are heat resistant. So for that, the examples of that components are bakelite and melamine. So these are all the compounds can be used for heat resistant. It is a plastic material compound. These compound can be used. You can see, so these plates and these spoons and everything. So it is very hard, and when we put some hot food or anything, means it won't melt, because these plates and spoons are made up of bakelite or melamine. It will resist the heat. And you can see here the pan, fry pan. So these fry pan, this holder, you can see this. So this holder can be made with bakelite or melamine. So that's why only we can't able to feel the heat when we hold during the cooking purpose. It will resist the heat. And you can see the cup with saucer. So when we take hot tea in this cup, you can feel the heat? Yes or no? No, you can't feel the heat, because these cup and these saucer can be prepared through bakelite or melamine. So that's why, so these materials can be used for carrying foods, can be prepared some other things. It can be carried some hot drinks, that is coffee or tea can be stored in this cup. So these materials are heat resistant. And next is the plastics do not react with water and air. The plastic materials does not react with air and water. You can take the plastic water bottles. It will react? No, it will not react. So that's why the plastic water bottles can be used to store water, soft drinks, etc. It can be stored in the plastic bottles. Why? Because of it does not react with water and the air. And you can see the baby feeding bottles. So in that feeding bottles you can store the milk. It will not react with water and air. and you can see the yogurt. So these yogurt is not react with water and air. And you can see the sports bottle. So these materials is also not react with water and air. Most of the plastic materials does not react with water and air. So that's why the plastic materials can be used to store the cooking materials. It can be stored. Why? Because of it will not react with water and it will not react with air. We can store the cooking materials in the plastics. And next characteristic is it is durable. So these plastic materials can be used for long time. It is durable. You can see the spectacles, the specs. The specs is coated with the plastic frame. It is durable. We can use these specs for a long time. And you can see the plastic chairs. So these plastic chairs can be used for a long time. It is durable. And next property is, so these plastics can obtain in the form of wires and sheets. You can see the thin plastic sheets are there. So through plastics we can frame, we can convert the plastics to the sheets, and also we can convert them into the various forms. We can convert them into wires and sheets. Next property is it can have variety of colors. So the plastics can have variety of colors are there. You can see here there are variety of plastic colors can be obtained. And these are all the characteristics of plastics. Let me recap one by one. The first characteristic is it is easily moldable to different shapes. The plastics are easily moldable to different shapes, and it is reusable. The plastics are reusable. We can use it for the further. And it is lightweight, and it will not conduct the electricity. It is a poor conductor of electricity. So that's why the plastics can be insulated in the electric wires, and all the electrical purpose can be insulated only with the plastics, because it will not conduct the electricity. You can see the switches, electric sockets, everything. These all things are made up of plastics. Why? Because of it will not conduct the electricity. And next is some plastics are heat resistant. Example, backyte, melamine plastics compounds. So with that compound we can manufacture the frame pan holder and some plates, some cup with saucer. So these are all manufactured with the help of backyte compound or melamine compound. And next is the plastics do not react with water and air. It will not react with water and air, and it will be durable. So durable means it can be used for a long time. It is durable. And next is the plastics can form wires and sheets. It can be in the form of wires and also it can be in the form of sheets. And it can have variety of colors are there. There are variety of colors are obtained in the plastics. Okay children. So thank you very much. See you in the next session.